In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks for Business. We'll walk through choosing the right edition, creating your company file, organizing your accounts, and turning on features that make accurate, fund-aware reporting straightforward. Start by picking the version that fits how you work. QuickBooks Online, particularly the Plus or Advanced plans, is great if you need cloud access, multiple users, and strong tools for tracking funds and programs. If you prefer desktop software, the Desktop Premier Nonprofit Edition includes a built-in nonprofit chart of accounts and specialized reports. Whatever you choose, make sure it supports fund or class tracking and the donor-style reports your organization needs. Next, create your company file. Open QuickBooks and select No Company Open, then create a new company. When prompted for your industry, choose nonprofit organization or charitable organization. Enter your organization's name, address and contact details, and your start date or fiscal year. Save the file. QuickBooks may automatically generate a nonprofit-friendly chart of accounts to give you a strong starting point. Now customize the chart of accounts so it reflects how you operate. In QuickBooks Online, go to Settings, then Chart of Accounts. Confirm you have core categories for assets like cash, accounts receivable, and investments, liabilities such as accounts payable and grants payable, net assets or equity, separated into unrestricted, temporarily restricted, and permanently restricted, income for donations, grants, and program revenue, and expenses for program services, management in general, and fundraising. Add any specific accounts you rely on. As you do this, plan to use classes or locations to track funds, programs, or departments. Turn on class tracking if you're in QuickBooks Online by going to Settings, Account and Settings, Advanced, then Categories, and enabling Track Classes. Create classes for each program, department, or fund so every transaction can be tagged for clear by fund reporting. Add the people and organizations you work with, go to Sales, then Customers or Donors, and create new records with contact details and any donation preferences you track. Add your vendors as well, so expenses, grants payable, and reimbursements are easy to manage and report. Set up products and services under Sales. Create items for donation types such as cash or in-kind, program revenue, and any other offerings. Assign each item to the correct income account so your revenue reports stay clean. Enter opening balances for starting cash, assets, and